Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. What is going on with Bitcoin? Guys, that's the thing, we don't decide when this market is pumping. This is just evidence that there are banks, institutions, guys with so much money, they just decide. And I think it's not about bulls or bears, because a bull can become a bear and a bear can become a bull. I think it's just, when you see the total liquidity divided or separated all over the world, then you know that the USA and Asia are the two biggest players in the market, right? But, I don't understand it actually. Crazy pumpage, crazy opportunities to make a lot of gains for everybody, but they just decide that we just don't go up. We retraced the 786 on the 15. What I told you guys, you saw the lower time frames become bearish and they started dumping again. I thought actually it was a liquidity sweep to see more upside, but they kept dumping and dumping and dumping, even lower than the 786 on the daily. Luckily, we found support again on this same 786. I think because there was a lot of liquidity underneath this wicks, right? This 4 wicks I showed you yesterday. So, for now, Saturday, low volume. I see some movement, so there's a possibility that there can happen something today, but I'm expecting some things for tomorrow. Right? If you backtest Sundays can go very crazy. When it comes to dumping or pumping. It's just a 50% chance now at the moment. We're crazy bearish on the higher time frame. So actually we have bearish order flow on the higher time frame. So the TA on the higher time frame says that we will see more downside. But the smaller time frames now, for example, the 1 hour shows bullish signs again. In this falling wedge, this is now the strongest bullish divergence we have on the 1 hour since we created this falling wedge. So, I don't know. I just stay out of the markets. I hope you guys took some profits yesterday on this pump on BTC and Ethereum, or at least break even. But let's go to the chart. Let's check what we see now. I think there's nothing really changed, but there's one thing, and that is we have a bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So as I said, guys, let's go to the chart. So what you can see now actually is we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and when we go to the daily, you can see that we're still holding support on this 786 here, and a lot of things I noticed also is that we have compression candles here, It's still a consolidation phase. So after consolidation, you can expect expansion, that's how it works. Especially in a discount market, when you have a compression candle in a premium, you will go down. But if you have a compression candle in a discount market, yeah, look at this. Discount market, crazy expansion. You can backtest this everywhere, compression candle in a discount, expansion. Same here, and when you go to the weekly, this compression candle, it's getting bigger now. We still have 1 day left to close this candle. If we have a bullish divergence on the 15, so there's a possibility here, this one. And also on the 1 hour, the biggest one we ever had in this falling wedge. So you can see that we're sort of switching structure shift, right? Like we're shifting structure. So don't be too bearish now. They just don't decide that we go up. That's how it works. We retraced the 786 here. We needed to break it, like I showed you yesterday. We didn't break it. We became bearish on the lower time frames here. here. Crazy pumpage, you know. I showed you guys this manipulation, you know, Fed came out. This Fed, what was it? Non-farm came out. Crazy pumpage, dumpage, 618, and pumpage. And what you see here, this strong bearish divergence. Yeah, and when you see that they started dumping, you know, and I was thinking this was a liquidity sweep for this sell stops to eventually go back up, but then they started dumping again and dumping again and dumping again. You can see this crazy red candles, in my case blue. This is all institutional manipulation, you know. They just dump it, they just don't go up. That's the thing, they make short gains here and then they just dump. So I'm a little bit disappointed, you know. And that's how this market works. There's a lot of manipulation in crypto, especially on BTC, you know, low market cap if you compare it to other market caps in Forex, for example. So yeah, you know, I really hope that this market cap will grow in a very short period of time, so this kind of manipulation can be part of history, right? Because, you know, there's so much potential on BTC, especially when big institutions and countries and retail just buy, you know. That's the thing. If everybody in the whole world buys just BTC, then it's very difficult for these guys just to do this kind of things. You know, but it is how it is, right? Or as it is. And you know what you see now is that we're still holding this 786. We still didn't lose this this falling wedge. And what you also see here is that we retraced the 786 here, right? And we needed to break this thing. You know, once you start pumping in this very short period of time, then you can expect divergence on the lower time frames. And you know, even a market maker cannot push that. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, but you know, that's part of trading. And we just wait. It's Saturday. I'm expecting pumpage on Sunday. Actually, we're consolidating now for 1 week. It's very boring price action. You know, yesterday we could make somewhere around, what was it? Yeah, let's say 600%. You know, I traded Ethereum. To be honest, I lost a little bit money because I was very confident, but you know, in my video I explained to you guys that it's very important to take out your order size and put your stop loss at break even. So for the guys who traded this trade, I hope you did. So yeah guys, consolidation still is a fact, you know. We're still holding the 786 on the daily. It's just waiting now, you know. Tomorrow it's Sunday, expecting pumpage. I show you guys a small secret, you know, a small secret I hide for a long time for you guys. Actually, I don't want to hide anything, but it's part of the mentorship, you know, and you know, that's a little bit the thing. But what you see here, I have an indicator. What gives me a very quick overview about on which days, Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, and weekends, what the price is doing, so you can easily backtest this, right? So what you see on Sundays, actually Sundays are crazy pumpage always. This is a dump Sunday, but this is a discount market, so you can expect pumpage, right? This was consolidation phase. So here also, you know, pump and dump on Sunday. So we can expect some things on Sunday. Here, look at this pumpage on Sunday. So, you know, and this was even Saturday, you know, dump and pump. So just be prepared, because these guys are active on every day, and that's the power of crypto. And that's why I like to trade crypto, because if I need money, I jump into the market and I can make money on every day I want to trade, right? Even this indicator shows you in which session we are now, so you can see that we were in London session, and that we're now entering New York, and then we have London close, and then Asia open. So you know, very, very, very nice indicator. I use myself to catch market maker behavior easily, you know, and I still sometimes don't know what they're doing. For example, here, you know, we retraced the 786, but look at this dumpage. Nice trade. This was a nice trade actually, but then they start dumping. You know, guys, every day is a new day, and this crypto market is full of opportunities. We just need to hold this 786. You know, we have a divergence on the 15 on a low volume day like this, but remember, here's liquidity. So there's a possibility that they sweep liquidity before we actually go up. You know, we have a bullish divergence on the 1 hour. See, the strongest divergence we had since this consolidation phase. So there's a possibility that they wreck these people here to eventually go up. I'm still bullish on BTC, guys. We have to break this, you know, we have to become bullish on the, we have to get bullish order flow on the higher time frames now. Very important. You know, this is also a small divvy. A small divvy almost, you know, this candle needs to close equal at this swing low to make this divergence respected, you know. So as I said, guys, Saturday update, don't expect too much, just be prepared, you know, expect a liquidity sweep and just wait for upward candles. You know, we have to close a candle above this swing low to become bullish again, and then you can just enter on a retracement to catch the ride up. But just be careful, be patient, and try to enjoy life also on this kind of days, right? Take some rest. You know, I just came from a sound healing meditation retreat kind of thing, you know, with this bulls. So no, you just use your time to enjoy life and take some rest. Very important, you know. Stay connected. And as I said, guys, I wish you all a very nice weekend. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.